People always think, okay, you can door knock, you're going to get rejected, you're going to get the door slammed in your face.
Yeah.
That's not really true. It's all about how you present yourself and your body language.
Okay.
I figured, why would they want to talk to me? Let's bring them something of value. So I would go and print off everything that had recently sold in the last 6 months. And I would just so you know, here's what everything is sold in the last couple of months. If you want to stay in touch, I could send you these automatically, and you just get them in your email. And people really appreciated that.
Yeah.
I was just keeping them informed with the local market.